Hi, I'm Coach Amit Dahiya, and today we're going to take a deep dive into HYROX, a fitness race. HYROX is a fitness race where you will combine running with functional workout station. Basically, you'll be running 1 kilometer followed by one functional workout station. It is perfect for marathoners, gym goers. Basically, it is for everyone who want to take their fitness to next level. You can choose from 4 different categories. First one is open, the second is pro, third one is relay, and the last one is doubles. The main reason why it's getting so popular is because it has a perfect sweet spot between strength and endurance. You do not need to have too much strength for it. You don't have to practice too much endurance. It's right there in between. That's the reason why everyone can do this. As you already know, you'll be running 1 kilometer before each station. The first station you will be doing is 1000 meter of skier. And then you'll have second station, which is sled push, 50 meters. The third station is going to be sled pull. And then you have the fourth station, I feel is one of the toughest one, where you have burpee broad jump for 80 meters. You have the fifth station, rowing, 1000 meter. And the sixth station is farmer's carry. And your seventh station, sandbag lunges. And the last and the final, by now, you will be done with your 8 kilometer of run. After that, you're going to be dead tired, but you will be finishing it with 100 reps of wall balls.